Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What can you substitute for Rotel? The main ingredient in ro_telephone is tomatoes in tomato juice. When substituting for the tomato flavor in a recipe that calls for ro_telephone, use canned diced tomatoes. To maintain the same consistency as Rotel, do not drain the tomatoes from their juice. 25 January 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Let's look at the ingredient label for Rotel. Tomatoes, chilies, salt, citric acid, calcium chloride, spices. Take out the onions and you have nothing more than a simple recipe that is Rotel. It has been tested and it is safe for water bath canning. 15 August 2013.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.